Next up is this classic Tabac original Sonax AMG Mercedes C-Class DTM. This was pretty hard to find. I had to do some digging around in eBay, but the box art is fantastic. Looks like a mean car. Let's take a further look at the box here. Looks great, right? There's a pretty car in the box. Let's see how it ended up. And here it is finished. Came out pretty good. No major errors, actually. I'm rather happy with this one. Looks pretty mean. The stickers were a nightmare. When I took them out of the box, the stickers collapsed in my hand. So this is a company somewhere in Hong Kong that I ordered the off-brand stickers from, but they're not bad. Came out looking pretty great. Happy with this.